Hello, welcome to our video for this 2016 66 registered Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. It's an extremely highly specified one, this one. See, it's got our full R Edition styling kit on it with a front spoiler, side bars and rear spoiler. It's in very good order. A few minor chips on the front, but unavoidable on a 25,000 mile black vehicle. Front spoiler there. In very good order all round this one. It has been lowered 35mm. It's got brand new 20-inch wheels and tyres on it. Just sits a lot nicer with those. So this was a very high factory specification initially. You've got a full soft black Nappa leather in here from the factory. Extremely expensive option. All in excellent order. It also has Discover Media satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors, and heated front seats. It is possible to add a multifunction flat bottom steering wheel to this as well, so ask us for details if you're interested in that. So privacy tints put on throughout all the rear windows, makes it a bit more secure. See the soft black Nappa leather continuing throughout the rear of the vehicle. You can see there's no nasty marks or chips or dents down the side of the vehicle here. It's got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. Just saves you from scratching at the bumper when you're loading items in. Rear parking sensors there also. Again down the driver's side, lovely order. The paint's got a beautifully glossy finish to it. Being a DSG 7-speed, it's 150 horsepower as standard on this one. Mileage is nice and low, 25,175 as of today. Show you the side profile of it. See how it stands. There we go. As you can see, with the larger wheels, lowered suspension and the full styling kit on it, looks really, really good. So that's it, folks. If you'd like to discuss the vehicle at all, arrange an appointment to view, please do give me a call on the number on the advert, where you'll find 20+ photos and a full description. Thank you for looking.